Wasn't it only yesterday that I saw them at the Filipino church in Loma Linda in the fellowship hall, all the way from Glendale? There was Shiloh singing lead with a band, with songs from Michael W. Smith and Amy Grant. Danny would say some words of inspiration. At the end of the concert, you want to be a friend. Friends are friends forever, forever. We're all friends, aren't we? Let's all be friends. We want to be together. Then Gene wanted to be in, so he became a friend and played keyboards for the band. Roger played drums and David played the bass. Carol, Dale, Gene and Trill played the synthesizers. Sam played guitar and Danny sang the praise. Well, Minda, Daisy, Boom and Mary Jo were the harmonizers. Let's be friends. Friends are friends forever. We want to be together because we're all friends, aren't we? Covenant opened for the Friends at Mandalay Bay. We sounded better for the first time due to the Friends PA. Shy and Carolyn were at the front row, so we put on a show. See the Friends influence and a man named Yo. Friends are friends forever. We want to be together. Friends are friends forever, forever and ever. Let's all be friends of friends. Let's all be friends of friends forever. We want to be together forever. We're friends, aren't we? Let's be friends. Now, years later, all we have to do is look in Facebook and we're still friends, aren't we? Friends.